My starting expression was negative 3 times x plus 8 squared plus x plus 8 times 1 minus x. Then that minus 18 times 4x minus 3x minus 8. Step 2. Before solving anything, I used the definition of subtraction, and I got negative 3 times x plus 8 squared, which stayed the same from the first problem, plus x plus 8 times 1 minus x, which I changed to 1 plus negative x. Then I changed the minus 18 to plus negative 18 times 4x plus negative times 3x plus negative 8. Step 3. Then I took the third term, solved for that one because it's the most complicated, and I used associative property of multiplication to get negative 18 times 4x plus negative 3x plus negative 8. Then I took the first and the second term and brought it down with the third term. Step 4. Then I just brought again the first and the second term down and combined like terms in the third term. Step 5. I distributed the x plus 8 squared into x plus 8 times x plus 8 and then brought everything down with it. Then I realized I hadn't changed the negative 8 into just positive 8, so I fixed that and continued. Next, I found the common factor x plus 8 and combined all the leftovers into one group. Then I used distributive property of multiplication over addition by distributing the negative 3 into the x and then the negative 3 into the 8 to get x plus 8 times negative 3x plus negative 24 plus 1 plus negative 1x plus negative 18. Step 6. Then I used EMA to combine like terms. I combined negative 3x plus negative 1x to get negative 4x, and negative 24 plus 1 plus negative 18 to get negative 41. Step 7. After that, distributed the common factor into negative 4x times x plus 8 plus negative 41 times x plus 8. Then I used the distributive property of multiplication over addition. I distributed negative 4x into x and then into 8, and then I distributed negative 41 into x then to 8 and got negative 4x squared plus negative 32x plus negative 41x plus negative 328. And then finally I combine like terms to get my final answer, which is negative 4x squared plus negative 73x and then plus negative 328.